Most people think their shorts aren't getting views because the content isn't good enough. But what if the reason your videos are stuck at a few thousand views has nothing to do with the video itself, but everything to do with how you upload it? And here's the crazy part. One small mistake in your upload process can quietly kill your reach before your video even gets a chance. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete updated way to upload YouTube Shorts, the right way. And stick with me till the end, because I'll also break down the exact hooks top creators use to pull millions of views, and most people completely ignore them. Let's get into it. First, you can upload shorts using three main options: the YouTube app, the YouTube Studio app, or any browser like Chrome. Now here's the truth. No matter which one you use, the algorithm doesn't care. Your video gets treated the same. But the YouTube app gives you extra tools that the others don't. Things like built-in sound library, filters and effects, captions and text, and most importantly, thumbnail selection. Earlier, you couldn't even add descriptions or tags directly in the app. But now, you can. So if you want the smoothest workflow with the most features, the YouTube app is the way to go. Now let's say you're uploading through the app. You tap the plus button, select Shorts, and either record directly or upload a video you already made. Once you select your video, you can trim it if needed, then move forward. And this next screen? This is where most people don't pay enough attention. Because here, you get access to editing features like text, filters, stickers, captions, and voiceover. But the real power move is the add sound feature. This lets you use trending audio without copyright issues. You'll even see how many videos are already using each sound. Now here's a common question. Can a trending sound make my short go viral? Short answer, no. A trending sound only helps if it actually fits your video. If you're making gaming content and there's a high energy track trending, it might work. But if you're posting educational content and you throw in random music just because it's trending, it feels off. And when it feels off, people scroll. Some creators try to hack this by adding trending audio and muting it. Sounds smart, but if it really worked, everyone would be going viral. So keep it simple. Use sound only when it matches your video's vibe. Because when you use a sound, you're also signaling the algorithm about which audience to show your video to. And if that signal is wrong, your reach suffers. Once that's done, move to the next step, details and settings. First thing you'll notice is the thumbnail option. Now yes, most shorts views come from the feed, where thumbnails don't matter much. But if your video shows up on the homepage or search, then your thumbnail becomes the decision maker. So don't ignore it. If your video already has a strong frame, use that. But if you want more control, here's a simple workaround. Create a custom vertical thumbnail. Insert it for a second at the start or end of your video, and then select that frame while uploading. That's how you get a clickable thumbnail, even for shorts. Next is your caption, which is basically your title. Here's the thing. In the Shorts feed, people don't read titles first. They react to what they see in the first few seconds. That's why big creators sometimes write almost anything in captions. But outside the Shorts feed, like search or browse, your caption still matters. So instead of stuffing keywords, focus on curiosity. For example, instead of 5 meals to gain weight, say, most skinny guys ignore this. Or this helped me gain 20 pounds naturally. Noticed something? Both create a gap in information. And your brain naturally wants to fill that gap. That's what makes people click. Also, keep important words at the beginning, because titles get cut off after a certain length. What about hashtags? They're not a big deal. They won't magically boost your shorts' views. But if you use them, just place them at the end. Now let's talk about posting. You can post instantly. keep it unlisted, or schedule it. But the real question is, what's the best time to post? Instead of guessing, use your audience heat map inside YouTube Studio. It shows when your viewers are most active. Darker areas, more people online. Now here's the strategy. Post about 1 hour before your peak time, so your video starts gaining traction right when your audience shows up. For most creators, you'll select Not Made for Kids. Then in the description, you can add keywords, but only if your video is search-based. If people are likely to search for your topic, then yes, optimize it. Keep it simple, pick a main keyword, add a few variations, include around 10-15 phrases max, and no need to overdo it. You can also add a related video. And this is actually powerful, because even if someone leaves your short midway and clicks that video, they're still watching your content. This increases something called session watch time, and that's what the algorithm really values. Now before posting, enable comments, allow remixing, and fill optional settings if relevant. Tags? Not important. Just copy your keywords and move on. And that's it. You upload your short. But here's the truth. Even a perfectly uploaded short won't go viral if people don't stay and watch it. Which brings us to the most important part, the hook. On shorts, your hook is everything. You don't have 30 seconds. You have about 3 seconds to stop someone from scrolling. If you miss that moment, the video is gone. When viewers know what they're getting, and it's structured, they're far more likely to stay till the end. Now, if this helped you understand how shorts actually work, subscribe. You'll get more breakdowns like this that actually move the needle. And if you had to pick one mistake you've been making so far, drop it in the comments, I'm curious. So here are 10 powerful hook styles you can start using right away. The climax hook. Show the best moment first, but cut it before the result. The contrarian hook. Say something that goes against common belief. Example, saving money alone won't make you rich. Stop scrolling hook. Call out your audience directly. Creators, stop scrolling for a second. Fear-based hook. If you ignore this, your growth will stay stuck. Authority hook. I tested this for 30 days. Here's what actually worked. Time-based hook. This is how shorts work in 2026. Abstract concept hook. Introduce something unfamiliar. You might be dealing with this productivity trap right now. Did you know hook? Did you know YouTube has this hidden feature? Desire hook. If you want 10K subscribers faster, this is for you. List hook. 3 habits that instantly improve your focus. And real quick, if your shorts are stuck under 1,000 views, you need to watch my next video. It's called, If Your Shorts Get Under 1,000 Views, Do This. In that video, I break down 6 proven fixes, from swipe rate issues to algorithm mistakes, that can seriously change your results. And if you want to go even deeper, I've also covered exactly how the Shorts algorithm works and some simple tweaks that can boost your chances of going viral. Pick whichever one fits where you're stuck right now, click on it, and I'll see you there.